So let's analyze NZDUSD, that's the New Zealand dollar against the US dollars. So what we can notice from the monthly time frame is that price is falling. Price has been falling for a very long time, but we can also notice that there's been a range on the monthly time frame between this level. There's a range on the monthly time frame between that level and this level. So NZDUSD is currently ranging on the monthly time frame. Aside that, we'll go straight up to the weekly time frame and see that from the weekly time frame nothing changed. It's basically the same thing on the weekly time frame. The weekly time frame, you can notice that price has been buying, and which means there's potential for this price to buy up to this level, this resistance level up here. So I'll go straight to the daily time frame to look at what the market is doing. On the daily time frame, we notice that price has been buying up massively, and we can also notice that on the daily time frame price is basically trading around this level right here, right around this supply level right here. So it is possible that price might fall down, and it's also possible that it will continue going up. But that being said, I'll go straight to the 4 hours time frame to look at 4 hour structure and how price is actually playing out. So this is actually the 4 hours time frame, and from the 4 hours time frame we notice that the order block which caused this price to fall is actually right here. Although price is currently trading at that high, the order block which caused the price to fall is actually right there, and that order block is a failed order block. And again, we can also notice that as price started going up to the upside from here, price is going up bullish. We can also notice that we have, this is our most recent 4 hours break of structure, because I like to trade with most recent structure. So this is our most recent 4 hours break of structure, right? And on that 4 hours break of structure, one amazing thing is that the order block which caused that break of structure aligns with the failed order block right up there. So this is like support became resistant, and then it still holds. Like we can see that the order block, this, we can see that this failed order block here aligns with this order block which caused this move to go up. So this is strong and high tendency for this price to go up. And upon looking at this market, let me look at this. If we actually have a break of structure right here, we actually have another break of structure, but price break below that level and treated all of these as equal low liquidity, right? And now price has swept and has tapped into the order block right there. We can see that. So upon looking at this, that should be liquidity. So upon looking at this chart, so should that order block fail, right? Should the order block we're currently trading be invalidated and price start coming down, I'm looking to buy the price from this zone I'm currently marking, right? Because we actually have another break of structure there, so I'll be looking to buy the price from here. But right now we're going to be trading with current structure. We're going to be trading with current structure right here, and so price actually just tapped into the 4 hours order block. And what I'll be looking at is I'll be going down to the 50 minutes time frame. Price just tapped into the order block. Now I'll be going down to the 50 minutes time frame to look for confirmation to enter this trade. It's just amazing that the trade is currently live. So from the 50 minutes time frame, I still don't have a confirmation to take this trade. There's no confirmation to take this trade yet from the 50 minutes time frame. So I'm not going to be trading this market at the moment. I'm going to be patient. Now I will wait for a market structure shift, by the way, because for a market structure shift to happen, it means we're going to miss out on this trade, because market structure shift is going to happen somewhere around here, which is where we should be taking our TP. So I won't be waiting for a market structure shift. Rather, I'll be using a concept called change in state of delivery. And when you look at these candles here, this is what I want to see for the change in state of delivery. I want to see price close above. I want to see current price close above this level, right? I want to see I want to see a candle close above this level, and then I'm going to be buying from here, right, and continue trading. Now where would I be buying exactly? I'm going to be buying, and this is my stop, but I want to see a candle close above that level, and then I'm going to be buying like this. Are you getting me? This is how I'll be buying. You can take your profit, taking my profits right up here. I'll be taking my profits right up here, right? So this is where I'll be buying. I'll be buying NZDUSD. So this is how I'm going to be trading it. I'll have like a 1:3 risk to reward. Now depending on the how the candles play about here, I can refine or reduce my stop loss. I mean, what I actually mean is, depending on how the candle close, I can actually bring it right up to this level, or maybe take it down a bit depending on how the candle close. So that is my analysis on NZDUSD, New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar. We can see that we're actually bullish. We're actually going up, and I don't see any reason for us to continue going down. But should we be going down? Like I said, if we go down to the 4 hours time frame, should we be going down, then we'll be targeting this other level right down here, and this area, this space here would be a potential area for sell, right? You could look to sell that market for around this green area. So on that note, I'll be waiting for my confirmation on 15 minutes time frame. Price already tapped into the other block, like you see right here, but I'll be waiting for my confirmation. I just mapped out on my 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I'll be waiting for this confirmation, and I'll be entering the trades. I don't